What's up guys, it's Mike here, and I know this is super old, like everyone's done this, it's not even trendy anymore, but I just remember I've never actually used this thing in my life. Like, I bought this ages ago and straight away sent it to my mother because she wanted it for some reason. I didn't even get to try it, and I think at the time I bought it my hair was pretty short, so I didn't get to use this at all. Yeah, like I have no idea if it works, if it doesn't, but I was like, you know what, let me try it. I promise you all I know what I'm saying. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. I need to plug this into the wall and I need to brush my hair with a normal brush because apparently you're supposed to do that, which makes me really confused because what's the point of this then? For a second I actually thought this thing does not really work because I was pressing the on button and nothing was happening, and I was like, what the actual hell? And then I realized you need to hold press for it to turn on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna turn it up to 220. Is that the maximum? 230. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up to 200 degrees and let it get hot. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my hair out. This is my actual natural hair. Like after a while I can just start using it. I don't know what I do. I just brush my hair normally. Y'all, I'm kind of confused. Let me brush it from under. Maybe I have to do this. Yo, I think this is working. Hold up. I'm gonna do half of my head and then leave the other half like that. I actually think this is working. Wait, y'all, I'm confused. I don't know how you do like the end parts. Looking at it right like that, it seems like this thing is working, and it makes my hair really hot. Yo, this thing actually does work. Look at the difference. Just look at. I'm shocked. Hold up, no way. This thing does really work. That was a thumbnail. Oh my god, I'm shocked right now. Hold up, I don't even know. Oh no, wait, his hair is curly. The only thing that's annoying, when you hold the brush you always press one of them buttons and it only goes like down and up, but like other than that, this is amazing. The final conclusion, yes, this thing does really work. Bunny, where are you? Like, you need to try this and be shocked yourself because this thing does. I am shocked right now. Anyways guys, my hair looks so funny right now, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and also my vlogging channel, and see you very soon. Goodbye.